here and show off the house that DM Construction made a reality.
This place was very beautiful in the 80s for an 80s house. Wallpaper, dark paneling, and the rooms were all chopped up.
Every room that you see, there was a wall here, almost all the way across, and a ceiling that was 8 foot high.
People liked all that stuff back in the 80s, but now we had to, modernize it.
I liked it opened and like that, but kind of contemporary.
And we needed a construction company. Then Jason comes along, and he was so sweet. And I just fell in love with him when I first saw him. I mean, he was just really nice.
DM came in, and I looked at their final projects before they're going to start on my house. I have to see your work. And they were very good, and I got a lot of references.
What makes them different is they act like they cared. Jason came with his notebook. He introduced himself. He just walked around with us, saw every little thing in the house, what we wanted to do. He listened. He sat down and asked us questions. That meant a lot to me for him to do that.
They actually listened. They actually took notes, and then he came back. Rather than them driving the bus, we were driving it, is what we felt like.
Then we sat down at the table, and he explained about his company, how they would put you on a calendar, how the payment plan worked. He went back, got a bid. He came in better than the other 2 bids, and I was so glad because I wanted Jason.
I have a lot of ideas, and I kept on saying, save me from myself. And they were able to do that.
And they wouldn't let us do anything stupid because we could come up with some ideas.
And they were able to take all those ideas and work them in harmoniously. They could work with things on the fly and tell me yes, no, or here's why, here's something you should think about, and gave me the whole perspective. And they said, yeah, we can do anything, and they could. But they kept me for myself, which is a true statement. They made the house much better than I could conceive, which is amazing.
The classy thing that they did was they sent all of our neighbors a postcard telling them that they were going to be in the area remodeling, and if they had any problems with parking or anything like that, to let them know. And they kept everything cleaned up. Even inside the house, every night they were cleaning. If we needed to get in touch with Jason, he was always call us right back. And the crew was so sweet. I fell in love with everybody on the crew. We even gave them a dinner afterwards. We loved them so much. And we still keep in touch with them because they're just that sweet.
The highlights is that this used to have a closet from the bedroom over there, where that was a wall there, and they were able to move a closet, make this all one straight line, which makes it the focal point.
We just had the bones of the house. They did it from the floor, raised ceilings, moved walls, moved doors, widened windows. When we were trying to design the kitchen, we didn't exactly know what we wanted. And finally, I said, well, I want a cabinet here and a stove here and like that. And so he went back and got a 3D rendering of the kitchen.
The renderings, I got to look at it and go, yes, no, yes. And that was very beneficial for a visual person like myself.
I loved having a big island in the kitchen and a wall full of cabinets, and it was amazing. It was exactly what I wanted.
There was no misunderstanding of what was going on.
Jason listened to us, and he made it happen every time.
I don't know, they're family now, and I just want to give them the work they deserve because they're just that good.
One thing they really did is they sent out a postcard about a patio. And we fell in love with the patio that they sent out on the postcard, so we had them add that to it and made a beautiful patio for us too. And it just, to me, just made the house.
Now we have the church parties here. Now we have people over and have coffee and they go, you gotta see my house, it's so cool, man. So that kind of a thing, and it turned out better than I thought. It came in under budget.
I didn't even leave this house for about 4 months after we moved in. Eric would say, let's go on a vacation. I go, I'm on vacation, baby. Because this is my vacation spot.
Oh yeah, this is definitely our home. We could not be more pleased.
This is our home, and we love it. And they made all our dreams come true. Everything we wanted in a house, they did it. They did a great job, and if you want a good construction company, DM Construction.